a Western harp, while the zither, or Chinese harp, is a little different. It's played horizontally instead of vertically.
And the Western harp has 7 tones, while the zither usually only has 5. But about 2,500 years ago, when it originated in the Warring States period and became known in the Qin dynasty, the zither had anywhere from 4 to 9 tones.
Oh, that's right! Back then, mostly herdsmen used it, and they would pluck the strings to produce sound. But today, the strings are made of metal. So exactly how many strings does it have?
It used to have 18, but in 1961, the 21-string guzheng was introduced.
But how would you play with only 10 fingers?
Well, actually, each hand must play 21 tones. The harp is divided into a right and left section. On the right side, you pluck the strings. On the left side, you bend the strings to change pitch or provide embellishment.
So it's like the vibrato on a violin. My grandmother has a guzheng in her living room, but she wouldn't let me touch it. She said the bridges would move. Why is that?
That's because on a zither, the pitch is also determined by the position of the bridge, and the harp is tuned by moving the bridge.
Oh, I see. But I have another question. She also said she needed long fingernails to play. What's that all about?
People who play the guzheng need long fingernails to pluck the strings.
What happens if you don't have long fingernails?
I would tape on fake ones. People used to tape things like turtle shells to their fingers to play. It's harder to play with fake nails though.
I see. That's so interesting. Well, let's see how a player manages the instrument. Performing 2 pieces, The Story of a Small Town and Beautiful Night, let's give a big hand to Peggy Lynn.